Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you live. Hopefully, you're all doing really well. Welcome to the stream. We're live. Let's make sure everything looks good. Good. Everything looks good. All right, awesome. Except you guys can't see shit. That doesn't help. That doesn't help at all. Let me, there we go. Nice. Nice. All right, let me do this really quickly. That way, if any weird text messages come popping up on screen, it won't be like, bing. Right on the screen. How's everyone doing today? Good morning. Hey, Technical Hedgehog. How's it going? Clay. All right, there we go. Brew update. Oh, man, what a day. Doing all right? Good to hear. Always good to hear. Same. I was going to do League this morning, but they're doing maintenance, so we're coding. I was like, okay. And then yesterday, I was so tired. I got home last night. I was exhausted. I wanted to get on. I really did, but it didn't happen. It unfortunately did not happen. So, I think we're good. Brew upgrade. Yep, cool. Alrighty. Now that that's done. It's like my, oh, I hate this update they did where you, yeah, okay. Alright, let me open up these two things. Start. Beautiful. And let me open up Table Plus. That way we have that up. And Okay. I kind of want to delete this. Can I delete this? I think I can. I don't really need it for anything. There we go. Nice. Blog test. Register. All right, perfect. Beautiful. All right, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Nice. Let's try that again. Oh my god. Can you open up the code editor? It's already off to a good start, I see. Alright, there we go. Sick. Alright. Oh man, it's so hot in here right now. I don't know why. Alright, there's my account. Alright. Okay, that's done. Oh, I gotta fix this. This looks so bad. Alright, let's see. Where were we? Oh, give me a second. Let me. Oh, that's on me. Twitch. Anyone that's on my Discord server is like, yeah, we get it. You're live. You're live. There's like a bajillion notifications. What are you gonna do, right? All right. Let's see. There we go. All right, perfect. We are good. We are good. Nice. All right, so I think we got the login done too. Yep. Perfect. And that looks really good. The register and the login, I think, are done. I don't think we need to do anything more with them. So the only thing that we need to do is the actual function. So what we need to do is create a session. So give me a second. When's my account expire with them? Settings and beta. No, it's not it. Where's billing? My plan. $20 a month, your current plan, access ChatGPT, manage my subscription. I'm pretty sure I canceled it, but I wonder if I can. Hold on. Renew plan. Canceled. After your free trial ends on November 1st. Okay, so I still have quite a bit of time. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, though. I don't know if it's worth it, to be honest, you know? $20 a month. I mean, it's cool, don't get me wrong, but like, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. So I got our credit session. All right. With PHP, once I log in, I need to create a session. How can this keep active until a log out happens? Okay, let's see. I'll bring this over here. Sorry, see that way you can actually read it. All right, when you log in a user into a PHP application, you generally make use of the sessions, keep track of the user's authentication state. Here's a basic step-by-step guide to keep a PHP session active until logout. Okay, we've already done that. Login process. After verifying the user's credentials checked against a database, you can store some information. Logged in, username. Oh, really? Can we store their session data? Oh, that might be a good idea. I never thought of that. That might be a good idea. Interesting. Secret player, how long did it take you... Wait a minute. How long did it take after you started streaming to get someone to offer to do graphic design for your stream? Well, nowadays, it seems like they come in every 5 seconds. So, usually it's probably pretty instant right now. Dude, I mean... they're just spam at this point. Literally, they'll follow your stream just to say, hey, I looked over your channel and I really think you need some new graphics. Or, can I show you my portfolio on Discord? That's what they'll do, is try to add you on Discord. Dude, it's the most craziest shit. It's like they came out of the blue. I don't know where they came from. They just came out of nowhere. It's crazy. Dude, it's not just me either. It's everybody. I'll go and visit some rando stream, and a fucking graphic designer comes out of the... just like out of the blue. I've started streaming these. I've gotten one of them after 2.5. Yeah, dude, they're gonna hit you. Dude, they are literally like a fucking cold caller, where they literally just pick up a random dialer phone book, and they just go to any stream they can, and they're there just to possibly land a sale. Instead of taking that time and energy to market themselves to where people are contacting them because of how fucking amazing their work is, they're using that time to just go and spam the shit. Like, hey, can I add you on Discord? It's so stupid. And they'll literally sit in like the Kick server, and they'll look for people going live, and you'll just get random friend requests from people. Like, hey, how long have you been streaming? It's the same fucking message every time. Hey, how's stream going? How's your channel doing? And then as soon as you start talking to them, they're going to want to fucking talk to you about their little graphic design work. Dude, it's bad. It's getting so bad right now. Even on Twitter. Most of my Twitter followers are GFX artists. And then I'll look through like my DMs, which... apparently I don't even see them sometimes because of where like the new Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. And they'll sit there and they'll be like, hey, I'm a graphic designer. Just look, leave me alone. No one wants... Listen, if I want graphic design from you, I will reach out to you personally. Like my logo came from Travis, who ran Gamer GFX. Like I've seen that guy's work. I was so impressed by Travis's work that I was like, dude, I'm going to reach out to him. I know I'm going to pay a big penny for my logo, but he's so worth it. And he did a good job. I'm very happy with the logo. You know what I mean? So I reached out to him and I paid a good penny. But I know Travis's work was really good, so that's why I paid him. So I went ahead and accepted the guy's Discord invite. Oh, God, did you? Yeah, I would, you do what you want, but I probably wouldn't accept his invite. I would probably deny. Yeah, dude, they're just going to spam the shit out of you, dude. That's all they're there to do. So, by the way, guys, big news. We hit 4,000 followers on Twitch, which is insane. So, that's fucking awesome. Probably shouldn't have, but oh well. That's okay. You can always remove them. On Kick, we are up at 112, which is awesome. Discord. YouTube, we hit 570 subscribers, and which is awesome considering I'm just streaming for now. And Rumble, we're actually on 20 followers, which again, all I'm doing is live streaming. So that is awesome. And speaking of Rumble, Friday, I have a meeting with Rumble head of product, and I am so excited to meet with them. I am so excited. I have so many things to talk about with them. I sent them over my video. Remember the other day? I don't know if you were here, but the other morning I did this like 15-minute session about Rumble live and how it needs to be tweaked. Well, I sent it over to them, and sure enough, I got a message from the head of product over at Rumble, and we are meeting Friday to go over Rumble. I'm excited. It's going to be so cool to interview with them and potentially help shape a platform that's brand new to help with live streaming. How cool is that? That's so cool. I'm looking forward to it. There's so many things. Honestly, there's not too much to go over. Well, okay, I lied. There is a little bit. But, like, I'm excited. This is going to be so cool. Like, I might not be the best coder in the world, but I'm a user. You know what I mean? I'm good at the, like, usability stuff, and I'm gonna get like especially finding bugs and shit like that. Oh, they're attached to me. I should be a professional QA tester. Anyway, so I'm excited. It's gonna be good. I'm looking forward to it. So that is what we're gonna do on Friday. I am really excited for this. So, yep. Good times ahead. And what else? We won't be going to TwitchCon Friday, unfortunately. I know there's a ton of streamers already heading. Actually, I think there's a few of them out in Vegas right now, but I couldn't do it. It would have cost me roughly $3,000, give or take, close to about $3,000 to do that trip. I just can't justify paying $3,000 for 2 days. Or it would have been a few. Yeah, because I would have gone out Thursday. It would have been Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I would have flown home on Monday. That hotel would have been so fucking expensive. The hotel alone was almost like $3,000. Or, yeah, about 2,000 something for the hotel alone. It's ridiculous. These events, hotels jack up their rates to as high as they can go. It's insane. Now I might go to DreamHack in December. I've never been. It's in Atlanta, which is like a 6-hour drive. Actually, it might even be less than that. So what I'm thinking about doing is just getting a hotel near the convention center, driving up there on like a Thursday morning or whatever, chilling out for the day. Thursday night, people will be flying in and whatnot. We chill out, hang out. There's a bunch of like people from Kick and Twitch that are going to be there. I'm looking forward to that. So I think I'm going to go to DreamHack. That's going to be really fun. I would like to try to figure out how to do the IRL stuff on the phone. That would be really cool. I do have that cool little thing that I purchased, the Osmo. So that'd be kind of cool. We might do that, stream from DreamHack. That'd be really cool. I've never been to DreamHack, so I don't really know what to expect. But yeah, I mean, it's going to be exciting. I need to go over that too. That's going to be really expensive. Probably. I mean, considering I can drive up there, that is good. So that's going to save on a flight, which is good. But honestly, I kind of want to check out how much a ticket is, because Florida or Jacksonville airport to Atlanta is literally like a 45-minute flight, if that. And that's taking off and all that stuff. So it would be kind of nice to just hop on a plane, be there in like 40 minutes. You know what I mean? Versus driving 6 hours up north. But because, dude, my fucking car is a gas guzzler. Dude, that thing's a V8, man. That thing would drain through a tank in about an hour and a half. We'd be filling up at least. Honestly, it might be cheaper to fly, come to think of it. I might just fly. I don't really want to drive. That's why I want to get a hotel near the convention center. So, and I can just Uber from the airport to the convention center, or to the hotel. I might do that. Yeah. All right, so let's see. Login process. After verifying the user's credentials, checking against a database, you can store some information about the user in a session. Logged in is true, John Doe, or whatever username they have. The session will stay active as long as the user's browser is open until the session times out. The default session timeout in PHP is 24 minutes. Really? I didn't know that. If you want to change the session timeout, you can modify the session piece GC max lifetime setting in your INI file, or you can do a runtime using int set 1 hour. Okay, so I could do that after they log in. Additionally, you might also need to adjust the session cookie lifetime if you're adjusting the session lifetime. Okay. Let's see. Checking session. On each subsequent oh my god, I can't talk. Or request, you can check if the session variable to determine if the user is logged in. Okay, so I could do that in my index file then. Yeah. That would be a good idea. I could do that. Or would I do that? Or would I? Would I do that? If the user is logged out. I don't think I would need to. I think that would only need to be done on pages where I know they need to have access. So things like profile, or like edit profile. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Hey, relax. How's it going? Good morning. Let's see. Or Rocky. Sorry, I mean, I don't know. I said relax and didn't finish it with Rocky. Going all right? Nice to hear. I love the drawing a blank. The new contributor role we have in that Discord server. That's so cool. How's your streams been going? I know, right? It's been going good. All right, I think I have an idea of what I want to do. So we got to go back to the login page, user controller. Session start. Let's see. Session active. Did we do this on the login controller? Oh, no. We did this on the user controller, right? So we start the session. Session active false. Or logged in. I'm going to say logged in. Okay, so if you're logged in, set to equals true. All right, that should do it. All right, so let's see. User model, register. Okay, so that's the registration. If header, if result comes back that we registered, we go to the login page. Else it errors out. Okay, show login form. Error, page title. If is set session error. Unset. Wait, we're supposed to unset that? I don't think we need to do that. Do we need to do that? Do I have an error anywhere else? I don't think we need to do the unset. I think I can get rid of that. Let's see. They're going all right. I need to get better at going longer. I just get defeated really easily. Really? Hey, Luke, how's it going? Defeated? What do you mean? If you care to talk about it. Oh man, I am so sore from yesterday. Listen, Monday I did a leg day, and then Tuesday I taught a cycling class, and today I need to do a pull day. Oh boy, that should be fun. So I'm gonna be like sore by the end of the week. It should be good. But yeah, when you say defeated, do you mean like what do you mean? Or like do you mean like discouraged for some reason, or do you mean like just streaming in general for a long time? Because sometimes I lose track of time and I look over and it's like 8-hour streams and I'm like I gotta go. I gotta take a break. I gotta go eat. You know what I mean? Like I get, dude. I mean, I've had some times where I'm just like, streaming and I lose track of time. You know what I mean? Hey, Ella, Ella. There we go. Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate it. That brings us to 4,001. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, I can't believe we made it to 4K. That's crazy. Ha! See what I did there? 4K? Oh, that's great. I like it. Anyways, my problem is when it's quite for too long. Oh, sorry. Quite for too long, I start to worry I'm not good enough. So discourage. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. Discourage. Well, do you mean like the amount of viewership? Is that what you mean? Like you'll stream for like I don't know, what, 2 hours you said or something like that? Like 2 hours and there's not a lot of people there? Yeah, I mean, I think that's what you're getting at, right? Like, you're streaming for long periods of time, but there's not a ton of people, maybe? Well, if that is the case, I really wouldn't worry about the viewership right now. I get it. I remember, like, when I first started streaming, no one was there but me. I mean, like, let's be honest, right now, like, you guys are here, but, like, if I go over to YouTube, there's no one watching me here. There's 3 views. There's 3 people that have clicked on the stream. I'm sorry, there's 1 person here. Hi. There's 1 person at YouTube right now. 2 other people clicked on it and left. Rumble, on the other hand, man, I don't know where they come from, but there was like, it bounces between like 5 to 10, 5 to 10. Rumble's interesting. No one ever talks at Rumble, though. I never hear from them. It's really weird, but they are there watching. Twitch, I mean, we're at 5 right now. You know what's going to suck? When I have to go to work, we'll probably pop up to 20. It happens every time I do morning streams at like 9 o'clock. All of a sudden, I'll watch my viewers go up to like 20 people, and then it's like, oh, I gotta go. It's like, thanks for showing up, but I gotta go. But I wouldn't, honestly, I really wouldn't let the numbers bug you or get to you. You know what I mean? I mean, if you're there, even if you're doing like a 3-4 hour stream and you got 1, 2, 3 people, the numbers have never been a thing for me. Oh god, I can't say the word interactivity. There we go. That's what's always been important to me. Listen. There's only 3 of you guys here talking to me, but you're talking to me. I love it. I love having conversations. That's why our coding is more of just chatting with a little bit of coding. But yeah, I mean, that to me is really important. And you know, like when I go to a stream, I love it when I'm able to interact with the streamer. It's like, oh, good. You know, I'm talking to somebody. They're doing their thing. They're enjoying it. And then, so I love it when people come to my stream and talk. You know what I mean? Like, that's fun for me. You know, we've had some awesome conversations here. You know, that's what makes it fun for me, not the amount of viewers. Like, is it great to see, like, oh, great, there's 20 people here, but, like, honestly, if there's like 5 or 6 people and we're all chit-chatting, having a good time, I'm good. I'm happy. You know what I mean? So yeah, I wouldn't let the numbers get to you. I get it. I've been there. You know, but I wouldn't let them get to you. Just have fun, be yourself, and enjoy what you're doing, you know? So yeah, I'm streaming for like, let's say 1.5 hours and no one is showing up at all. Okay, I mean, I get that, yeah. The way I try to look at streaming is everything about it is a bonus, if only goal is to stream while working. There you go. Yeah, I mean, and that's a good point. Like, well, I mean, have you been doing the stuff on socials though? I mean, I'm really bad at doing it. I'll be the first to admit there is nothing on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook about coding. It is literally just gym stuff. But I haven't even done anything for YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, I'm really bad at it, but, you know, I'm on Twitter a lot posting. Like, I didn't post that I went live this morning because it's going to be a short stream. Yeah. Let's see. It's hard to not let that stuff. Hold on. I can't read. It's hard to not let it, but it's good to be reminded occasionally. Oh, yeah, definitely. Twitter won't respond to me after I couldn't verify 2-factor. Ooh, what happened? Did you get locked out? I'm trying to do socials. I'm okay with Twitter. I'm trying to do better with TikTok. Yeah, I mean, those are... yeah, that's a really great way to get found by people, too. Also, getting involved in communities and stuff like that's really good. Like, there's somebody that came to my stream the other week, was it? And they came from another streamer's Discord. Because I watch a really cool Kick creator called Lola Buns, which you guys should go follow her. She's like, you know, growing so fast on the Kick platform right now. But like, I just posted, hey, I'm live in the server. In the community shoutouts area, or the self-promote area, and someone came to my stream because of that. So and then they stayed. So, you know what I mean? Like, it's just things like that where joining communities is a really good idea. The socials, like right now, if I probably like actually did YouTube videos and edited them really nicely, or even just put some YouTube videos up and said, hey guys, by the way, you can see me live on Twitch, Kick, whatever. Follow me on all these platforms. That helps as well. You know what I mean? So, I'm trying to. Oh, sorry. Well, it seems to work with Chrome, but I can't use it on my phone with it. Really? That's weird. It's interesting how people find you and stay around. Oh, for real? Yeah, exactly. So, all right. So there's the error. We did that. Okay. So here's the actual login. HTML. So we get the trim, the password, trim the username, then we send it over to the user modal. All right, here we go. And then this register user. Okay, so this is register user. First name, last name, password. This prepare DB select username. Okay, so that goes into the thing. If check email, username already exists. Okay, return false. Else STM prepare. Okay. And that's going to return true. Oh no, this checks that there is a user. Login user. Okay, here we go. This is what I needed. Login user, limit of 1, password, and username. Did I do a password verify for that? I think I did. Let's see. Trim. Result. How did I verify the password? Oh, right there. It's right in front of me. Whoops. I'm sitting there going, where did I do the password verify? I don't see it. All right, there we go. I see it now. Let's see here. I'm doing better. I'm doing better with the aspect in community. Okay, that's good. As you can see with the special role we got, hell yeah. But not just that Discord, but others heavily involved in. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I think that helps. And I think just putting your content out on socials is gonna help too. But yeah, I wouldn't let that discourage you from. I mean, if you're gonna game longer than the 1.5 hours, or you do gaming, right? I can't. What's your main thing you stream again? It's been a minute, so I apologize. I don't remember. But like, if you're planning on doing it longer, just keep streaming. There's, you know what I mean? Like if you're, you know what I mean? Mostly art with some gaming. Okay. Oh, you do art? Really? And you do art and hold on. Because art's a really good viewership for, really? Hold on. Let me take a look at something. Videos. Which one did you do recently? Okay, there's one. Oh, and you do VTubing. Oh, shit. So you have VTubing and art. Okay. Let's see. That's pretty good. I can't draw what the shit. Can't even draw a banana. Damn. That's really good. You do good. I like the ears. Let's see. Oh, wow. You added in the color. That's so cool. Huh. Use a tablet for this or, Dude, that's crazy. Well, let me tell you, your stuff is good. Anyways, let me... Huh. Twitter into... Huh, okay. Art. Let me check out the category. Yeah, like the top... Oh, that's recommended viewers, high to low. Damn, someone's watching someone with 11,000.2 viewers for art? Holy shit. Yeah, I think it's just honestly gonna come down to markability because like your artwork's good. You know what I mean? So I mean, I don't know a lot about art and I can't draw, but I'm just looking over like the streams here and even the people with the 50s. I mean, your stuff is just up there with theirs, so damn, fucking people can draw, dude. Makes me so sad I can't draw even a fucking basic apple. Like, I'm looking at these, like, stream previews, and I'm like, they got beautiful shading and all that, and I'm like, damn. Huh. Yeah, I wonder, have you tried streaming also on... There's another streaming site that's specifically for, like, art. Piscasco? Piscasco? Am I saying that right? But I have an account with them. My friend used to stream on there. Piscasco? Streaming? Oh. Picasso streaming? Is that what they're called? I can't remember. Hold on. Streamlabs. Streamlabs. Show me that login. Dashboard. Log out. Log in. Log in with Picarto. Oh, Picarto. There we go. Picarto. Are they even still around? Oh, they are. Look at that. Yeah. Here we go. Right here. Picarto. I don't know if you've seen this site before. I don't know a ton about it. But my friend, she streamed a lot on this. I mean, yeah, as you can see, there's not a lot of viewership, but what I would do if you want, well, I mean, again, it is like 8 o'clock in the morning. You could like multicast to Twitch and Picarto, which I know the TOS says you can't. I mean, I believe. So I don't know. That's just an idea. That might be worth taking a look at or something. Or maybe do a few of those. Maybe do a few Picarto streams. You know what I mean? And then do a few Twitch ones. You know what I mean? Yeah, try that. Maybe it wouldn't hurt. Just giving it a try. Maybe like stream for like once a week on there just to get it going. And then you might even have a bigger following on Picarto than you do Twitch. You know, really. Like, yeah, I mean, if that makes sense, you know. Yeah, if you do art, VTubing does do better. So I learned how to make my own model. Really? I didn't know that. I might be able to draw, but it takes so long. I just don't have the patience. Yeah, I can imagine, Luke. Dude, I give anyone credit for drawing. I can't draw, man. Like, I looked at Rocky's drawing, and I'm just sitting there going, I wouldn't even be able to build. Like, the face was coming in all in. I was like, that wouldn't happen with me. Like I said, I tried to do a banana once in art class. It wasn't pretty. Wait, did I verify? Oh, okay, so that returns true. That makes sense now. Okay, cool. So session. So if there is a result, session is active. But I think we're going to do logged in. I think that's what we're going to do. So if I set that to true. But I think what we want to do is store the... let's see, login, session, logged in. Can I send those sessions? That's true. Well, you could probably learn to code. Coding, I feel like anybody can even learn the basics of HTML. But when it comes to drawing, that's like a talent. You know what I mean? Like, coding can be learned, but drawing, you can learn it, I suppose. But let's be honest, when it comes to things like drawing or music, they're really, yeah, you can learn. But at a point, there is that natural born talent. You know what I mean? So I just don't have that when it comes to drawing or music. But I can play enough on guitar and piano just to make myself happy. But I'll never be like a guitarist. Do you know what I mean? I'll never be able to bust out solos or anything like that. But I can strum chords and I can jam along with my favorite 80s tracks or some heavy metal songs. And I'm happy with that. Would I like to be better? Sure. Do I have the time to improve? Unfortunately not. So, yeah, if I could go back in time, I would have had a ton of time as a kid, you know? And I probably should have done that. But, all right, I need to figure out how the session shit works. Should we have a sessions thing? I wonder. But, like, yeah, you have that natural talent to draw, so... Have you made YouTube videos by chance? Or have you put your streams up on YouTube? That might not be a bad idea. I wonder if I should put the session down here. So after you log in, we could store the session, but creative. You have a few videos? Okay, I would definitely put your streams up on YouTube. It wouldn't hurt. You should also clip your stuff too. You know what'd be really cool for TikToks? Every time you start your stream, take a screenshot of like the what do you call it? The outline of your drawing, and then you could do like a before and after thing. Maybe add some cool little video transition effect. And honestly, the average TikTok user can be there less than 9 seconds anyway, so it's not like you need a very long video. Literally, it's like put some cool music there, and you just see that one part. You know, just get that nice little, you know, landscape or not landscape, portrait size clipping of the drawing, and then fucking do a little whoosh, transition to the end drawing, and then just add a clickable link right there for them to go to your Twitch or wherever you want to send them your link tree or whatever. Honestly, right there, there you go. There's your TikTok. Done. You know what I mean? And then just tag the shit out of it with hashtags. Done. See? Then upload it to YouTube Shorts while you're at it. Then upload it to Instagram as a reel. Then upload it to Facebook as a reel, if you have a Facebook, as a reel. There you go, done. Literally, that quick. Because the average TikTok user isn't going to sit there longer than 9 seconds, unless they're really involved. Like, trust me, I've seen the data analytics on my stuff. The average person makes it maybe to 4 seconds and they're out. So, yeah, I mean, that's why... With TikTok, if you notice, a lot of videos have lots of like things going on in the video. It's to keep the attention locked onto the video because they don't have a lot of like audio effects and stuff in there. People will just start scrolling through. So, let's see here. Yeah, I'm working on all that stuff. Marcus is really good at helping you. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, definitely. And I think they added. I haven't checked out the new tool in Yacker for the TikTok stuff, but I would definitely look in there and see if that new tool, the analyzer, is might be really helpful. Or you can analyze other art TikTokers as well. Again, I don't see art on my TikTok. Most of my TikTok hits me with fitness influencers, so that's what I see, and a few musicians. So yeah, I would look into that. That's what I would do. I would literally go to every stream you've done so far, like today, actually, if you have time. Just go and record or get a screen grab of the outline of your drawing that you're starting, and then show off the finished result. And then just make those TikTok videos and then schedule them out even once per week or whatever, or once a day or whatever you want to do. I'd start off slow. But there you go. There's your TikTok. There's your reel. There's your short. Bam, done. Just add a link to your link tree or whatever on the video. Yeah, that's what I would do. I think that will help grow your channel because I think people will see that and go, oh, shit. Because there's people on TikTok looking for art, and they will literally look at that and go, oh, wow, she can draw. That's so cool. Bam, they follow you. You know what I mean? TikTok, your video views are going to be so up there because the algorithm, man, locks onto people's interest. So if you just put in the right hashtag and title and all that stuff, bam, you lock right onto people's interest real quick. I have not yet as well used the new application. I have a long work day today. I'm already clocked in on my work computer. I'm multitasking. Oh, okay, cool. Well, I would definitely, if you can, like later on today or maybe tomorrow or whenever, I would definitely go through your stream and start clipping, and then start editing. But yeah, you could probably download the video. Yeah, you can download the VOD from your video manager too. So you could download it onto your computer. You could use CapCut, upload it to CapCut's website, or you could, hey, Mr. Groots, or you could download the CapCut editor to your computer as well. Like there's DaVinci Resolve, which I need to learn how to use this software. Filmora. Yeah, I had that for a while. I bought it years ago, but I haven't really done anything with it. And every time I go to use it, they're like, upgrade. I'm like, I already bought your software. I don't need to upgrade. But I don't know, whatever. Yeah, I would download the VOD and just make clips out of it. Most of these editors now have built-in tools to just do it for you, which is really good. So all that stuff stretches me out more. Does it? Yeah, Luke, I'm telling you. That's why my YouTube is nothing but lives and shorts that I've uploaded to TikTok. So I get it, man. The thought of opening this program up down here, like here, have you guys ever seen DaVinci Resolve? It is used in the movie industry. But it's free. They have a free version and a pro version. You don't need the pro version unless you plan on making movies. And even then, you probably don't even need it. There's a few other features like AI and all that stuff, but you really don't need it. You really don't need it. I'm going to focus on work for a bit, just here looking for a few. Okay, no worries, no worries. But yeah, this is DaVinci Resolve. And it is fully packed. And this stuff gives me fucking anxiety. Just even think of timelines, editors, color correction, audio. Okay, this is pretty simplistic. The media pool. I do like how they break this down for you. Oh God, I would hit that, wouldn't I? But yeah, this is pretty intense shit. This is the UI is a lot cleaner than something like Dreamweaver or some of the Adobe products, but yeah, this stuff's overwhelming. But stuff like Capcom, iMovie, or even Filmora, those are meant to be very easy to use. Even Adobe Rush, which is free by the way, can be used. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't let it get too much. Like I said, if you just want to keep it simple, just use CapCut. It's free online. Even their pro version offers you some stuff, but I think the online version's better because you get more filter effects and stuff like that in real time. So, all right, I need to figure out the session stuff. Oh yeah, sorry. I didn't realize I was muted. Actually, I don't need to log out. I can just do... let's see. Handle logout. Let me go to user controller. Public function. Handle logout. Session destroy. Save. All right. Let me make sure I am logged out. I think I am, but let's just test it out. Log out. Bam. There we go. Cool. All right. So that will destroy the session. Perfect. Morning there? Yes, it is 8:32 a.m. I'm actually just bought a new keyboard so I can switch between computers with the press of a button. It's like a multi-task. Oh, did you get the Logitech MX? Fuck, it's the Logitech MX something. MX, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Did you get that one? I think I know which one you're talking about. What is it called? The MX something. It's a really cool keyboard. The MX. I don't know. It's something with Logitech, but you can like use it on multiple computers. It's really cool. It's like click, switch. I think it's the Logitech MX. Damn it. Let's see. Master Series. Here we go. Yeah, this is it right here. I actually bought one of these and it did not work very well on my Mac. I think it was, I don't know why, it just kind of worked like shit. But no, I got something called Moffii. Moffii? Moffii. Oh, right here. Should probably type in keyboard. Oh. Huh. It's kind of cool. Hold on, let me just, okay, I'm not logged in, am I? Okay, cool. Just wanted to make sure. I like, because they'll fucking show your address right over here on the sidebar. Like, hey, do you want it delivered at your home address? Oh, okay. Damn, look at this. Did you get this kit right here? Mouse combo, retro, numpad, cute mouse for computer PCs. Damn. It's kind of cool looking. And you can use it on 2 devices with a switch. Yeah, but without the mouse. Oh, do you have a KVM switch as well? Is that how you do it? Like, do you have a KVM hooked to 2 computers and then you just pop the USB in the... Really? Oh, okay. Interesting. Interesting. Huh. Okay, well, shit. There you go. Look at all the colors they got. Not bad for what? $60 for a keyboard? Can't go wrong there. Kez, how's it going? How goes it? Good morning. Well, that particularly one is not Bluetooth one. Oh, okay, gotcha. Savage, how's it going? Go all out and get a Redox. A Redox? I have one. I've never heard of that keyboard. What is that? A Redox? Let's see. Keyboard. Ooh, look at that. Dude, damn. That's pretty cool. Split keyboard. I like how it's kind of basic, you know what I mean? Not bad. What was the other one that you said? Or Ergodox? Ergodox. Apparently I've been here before. Oh, okay, cool. This is a company that makes the Moonlander. Dude, this one looks really good. The Voyager. This one looks really nice. But does it lift up? I don't know if it lifts up or not. It looks like it just lays flat. Unfortunately, I don't know how I would like that. I need to have something lifted up. Like, my keyboard's lifted up. If you could lift it... maybe you can lift it. The screenshots are kind of shit. The pictures... Does it lift up? Or do you gotta buy something to lift it up? Hot swap a little calmer. Dude. Oh, there we go. Mounted. Nice. Oh, you probably gotta buy a mount to lift it. That looks pretty cool. I want all out for me. I would use the Razer productivity line. Razer has a productivity line, really? I love reading through Hackaday for Raspberry Pi project ideas. Nice. You can get tenting things. I feel like my Redox, my wrist would be more comfy at 75-degree. I've never used a split. I would never want anything flat on the desk. I can't do flat. I need it lifted in the back a little bit. Yeah. I mean, they do have the little tented things there, it looks like. But I would need something that lifts it up. But I wonder how it would feel if I was coding like that. I don't know. The Moonlander's fucking nice looking. But shit is not cheap. Then they got the Ergodox, which... What is... This is like the original, right? The Ergodox? I think. It's so good. And as a bonus, you'll learn to touch type. Ah, okay. Not bad. What would you go with? Would you go with the Moonlander or would you go with the Voyager? All right, Technical Hedgehog, you have a good night. I'm going to have the good rest of the day. You're so far ahead of me. You're in the future all the time. That's cool, though. It's a good company. I honestly, like, if I was going to need a split, I would have to test out a bunch of them. I could never just, like, order something offline like that and hope for the best. Or I'd have to have, like, someone that knows their shit. You know what I mean? That's like, hey, trust me. Trust me. I got you. This is the keyboard you need and all the shit you're going to need for it. It's only 1:39 a.m. 1:39 a.m.? I'm like far in the past. I'm so far behind. All right, so there's the log out. Okay, so we got the log out to work, which is good. I should add that to the... Okay, so when the session is active. Okay, so what I need to figure out how to do is when a session is active... Maybe we do that in logged in. Session is active. Session start. Logged in is false by default. If session logged in is true, then send them over. Okay, let's just see if this actually works right here. Let's see if this if statement kicks in. So I'm going to go to log in. And I don't remember my password. Player. I think it's testing 1, 2, 3. I think. Testing 1, 2, 3. Nope. All right. Well, at least we know the log. Wait, it's admin. Sorry, admin. Testing 1, 2, 3. Nope, that's not it either. Damn it! I don't remember my login. Can I change it right here? I think I can. Right? If I change this in testing 1, 2, 3, I think that auto updates it and I think it changes it, doesn't it? Oh, I thought that did. Does it not do that? I thought it does do that. Does it not encrypt it? I thought. Oh shit. Well, too late now. I trust that company or Fabatech from Poland, but you'd have to. Yeah, exactly. And that's the problem. Those keyboards aren't cheap. They're so expensive. And that's why I get really hesitant on getting a split keyboard. You know what I mean? Because it's just so expensive. You know? Shit, I did not mean to do that. Oops. Well, shit. Okay, we can always... We'll just re-register. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. Let's see. Register. Register. Ooh. Login fail. Please try again. Why did that stay? Oh, okay. You know what? We should unset these errors after they're done. We should do that. I never thought of that. Login. User registration. Page title. All right. I'll do that later. admin. I mean, website administrator. Admin at seekaplayer.com. Admin testing 1 2 3. I could have sworn I did testing 1 2 3 earlier, but apparently not. Register. Okay. Admin testing 1 2 3. Bam. Oh, that did work. Sick. Okay. But, okay, let me try to go to login again. It should force me back to the... See, it's not working. It's not forcing me back to the, to the homepage. Why? Let's see. Can I do a var dump? var underscore dump session save. Logged in, bool false, active is true. Wait, what? So it's both? Oh, because every time the page loads, it changes the session. Maybe I can get rid of that. Maybe we don't even need that. Okay, hold on. Let me go to log out. Maybe that's my problem. Log out. Cannot. Oh my god. Why is this being a pain in the ass? Information. Undefined key. Yeah, see, that's the problem. Now logged in doesn't work. Hold on. Log in. Yeah, it's fine. All right. Admin testing 1 2 3. Then that goes to. Okay. Active is true. Wait, active? What is active? Oh, shit. Fuck. Screwed that up. I screwed that up. That's why. Active. Yeah, I fucked that up. Log out. Log in. Admin testing 1 2 3. Why is this failing? Undefined. Okay. Let me go to log in. Oh, there we go. That worked. Okay. That worked. Oh, nice. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's good. Save. Okay, perfect. So now whenever I try to access any of these pages, it's going to look at that first. If I try to go to register. There we go. Now, the problem is when I try to go to log out, that's when we're going to have a problem. Yeah, see? Now I can't log out because I'm already logged in. What if I did... If session is true and is set get log out, and if is not equal, or if is set. Does that work? I think that's going to do it. I think that will say, hey, you can still access the log out page. I think. Let me try this. Log out. Log out. Okay, that's good. Undefined array logged in. Cannot modify editor information. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to unset these. I need to unset these. So I'm going to go unset session logged in. Okay. Cool. And then Cannot modify header information. Okay, what are you talking about? Header location. Login, header location. Exit. Oh, yeah, I gotta do exit, save. Why is that not? That should be pushing me back to the. Okay, maybe. Okay, hold on. Login. Undefined array key. Okay. Logged in. We're getting there. We're getting there. Save. Let's see. A really, really nice but normal ish keyboard is the Durgod Hades. I got one and I love it, but my shoulders are too wide for like 60%. What is it called? I've never heard of that one either. What is it? The Durgod Hades. Oh, is it this one right here? This. Oh, that looks so tiny. I can't do those I can't do tiny keyboards, guys. I can't do it. I give credit to anybody that can do those. Yeah, I can't do that. I didn't know Razer had a Razer productivity line. I didn't know they had one of these. I haven't used a Razer device in forever. Oh shit! So they, okay. Well, that looks like a gaming keyboard. Let's see. Boost your productivity, workspace, surface area. Oh, that's cool. Shit! Look at that. This dock looks neat. Oh, this is the front. Oh, they don't have HDMI on here though. What a shame. Oh man, sucks they don't have like HDMI output on that. I mean, granted, probably the monitors that you'd hook up would have USB-C support. That's a shame. What about this one? What the hell does that do? Oh, it's just it's a power supply. Huh. I mean, that's actually pretty cool. Fast charging. How much is this? It's actually kind of cool looking. Ooh, they have it in black. Yeah, I bet I'm paying $180 for that. That's funny. Yeah, earbuds. They got smart glasses? Wait, what? Hold on. How good are these smart glasses? Okay, built-in audio, advanced eye protection bundle. Okay, what else? Solarized sunglasses. What? Okay, that's actually pretty badass. I'm not gonna lie. Audio, so you can use it for Zoom calls. Touch-enabled voice assistant. 5 hours of battery life. Water resistance. Can you record video? Touched-in areas. Built-in speakers. Charging ports. Sense indicators. Microphone. Blue light filtering. Huh. I mean, it's kind of cool. I like these style. That would have to be my style. But they change. Interesting. So they change to, oh, you have to replace the lenses? Boo. Come on. What? Aw. What? Oh, that sucks, man. No, Razer, what are you doing, guys? They literally have been making glasses for years that do this, that change for you. All right, I'm no longer interested in Razer's productivity line. They've disappointed me. They've disappointed me. I'm sad. No, but a shame. Just such potential. Damn. What, you don't like split keyboards, Luke? That's what I said if I went all out. Yeah, I got you there. Undefined key. Okay, so it's because this technically doesn't exist. True. Okay, so how can I check if it's... Okay. Oh, I got a better idea. What if we did this? What if we said if is set get login, right? And oh, hold on, don't delete that. I need this part right here. Okay, if is set login and if is set okay, so if we go to the login page and not the logout page. Oh, okay, I could just say the login page. I could say because I want to be able to access the... Okay, and that's where we check if... Okay, so if login... Okay, and then I go, so if... Session... Okay, so if... It says session is logged in. Bam, there we go, just like that. Oops, save. Okay, so if we go to the login page and not the logout page, I guess it really doesn't matter. If we go to login, this is just going to check for login, or I'm going to say or is set get register. Copy. Oh, let's try that again. Save. Oh, I fucked up somewhere. Is set get... Oh, I think I'm missing a... There we go. Okay, so if we go to login or if we go to register, okay. And if session is set to login, go to the home page. Okay, well, we got rid of the error. Okay. Okay, let me log in because there might be a session. Admin, testing, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. There's the home page. Okay. Now, if I go to login, it should force me back to the home page. Fuck! It didn't work. Sorry. It didn't work. Yeah. Ah, damn it. I feel like we're almost there. Why didn't that work, though? If is set get login, so get to the login page, or if set get register. If session logged in. Oh, I didn't say anything. I just said is equal to true. Oh, there we go. That might be it. Do I need to do equal? I think it's just equal. If is set. Why is that giving me an error? Yeah, what's the deal with that? Cannot use is set as a result of an expression. You can use null. What? If... Oh, yeah, my bad. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's going to make more sense. Register. Let's go to login. All right, let's go. Admin. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go back to the login page. Login. Ah, why won't you work? Oh, I think I got to return. Exit. Save. I think this is why right here. No, why aren't you working? Header location. Admin. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that part's working fine. So let's go to login again. Damn it. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get it so it never can, I don't want it to access the login or the register page when we're actively logged in, but for some reason, I'm just not having that type of luck this morning. Oh, why isn't that working? Let's see. You should be doing that inside of the get routes for those 2 pages. Yeah, but how's it gonna know? Does the session even like? Oh yeah, I guess I could do that for the. Guess I could do that. Yeah. All right. Let me try that then. Let's see. Let's get rid of this. So we're starting our session. Save. Okay. So let me go to the index page. So let's look everywhere where we would actually view the form, which is going to be a get. So let's go to show registration form and we can add this right here. So instead of, we're going to look at this right here. If session logged in equals true, then we want to do this. But we want to wrap that else. Hold on. If session is equal to login true. Can I do if r equals get? Correct. Yeah. I don't want to see the login form. So if session logged in is true, let's add root. I'm trying to figure out how I can add it on these roots right here, on anything that's get and login. Let's see, login. These 2 right here. I just gotta figure that out. So if I wrap, can I wrap that? So like else. How do I say R? Can I look at R as a route? R is equal to get route controllers home index. Let's see. So do the checking at the top of the user controller. Well, that's what I was doing already. Yeah, I was already doing that. I was already there. Okay, I thought so. I thought I was doing it right. I'm gonna say. Yeah, I was already doing that. All right, so I was doing it outside the controller. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see. Okay, yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying now. Yeah. Okay, gotcha. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. Right. You mean like right here? Gotcha. Okay, cool. There we go. Save. Okay, like that, right? But let's just try it on the logged in form. Okay, cool. Let me go admin. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yep. Good thinking on that one. I never thought about doing the controller. Good thought. I mean, good. See, it's still doing it. Still letting me through. Why? Oh. Forgot to put true in there. But if session. Okay, if session is equal to true. Isn't it all automatic? Admin testing 1, 2, 3. The login's working perfect. Login. See, it's just letting me doing it. Doesn't make sense. If session logged in is equal to true, right? It is. So unless it's unsetting it as soon as am I doing that? No. That's for logout. location logged in is true. Header. Right. So we're not doing any kind of session error. Yeah. We're not. User login. Edriv, how's it going? Algorithm? Why are you setting header? Use Laravel. Laravel's what? Oh, C17. I'm not using Laravel, man. This is my own thing. Yeah. Sorry. No, I'm not using Laravel yet. That's later on. I'm trying to learn this stuff manually before I go into something like Laravel. Because if I go into something like Laravel, it's just going to be very overwhelming. I'll have no clue how it works or functions or... Yeah. No, I don't have Laravel. If I had Laravel, this would probably be a hell of a lot easier. By far. I'm sure it would be a lot easier. Yeah. Let's see. Come on. Let's figure this out. Session error. Okay, let's see. Logged in. Show registration form. If session is equal to login true, header location exit. But it still should do that. I mean, here, let me test it to see if it's even working. So I'm just going to do a var underscore dump and say, show me the session. For now. That's it. That's all I want to see. Okay, let's do admin. Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, and then save. Login. Yeah, so I think the session dies as soon as we get sent over to the home page. So I think what I need to do is store the session. I don't think I'm doing that correctly. I think we have to store it into a cookie or something like that. Is this it? Nope. Nope, it's not it. Oh, yeah, right here. Okay. Additionally, you might need to adjust the session cookie lifetime. Yeah, I think that's the problem. I think these two need to be set. Okay, so let me add these to the login. Where is it? If we get a result, else error. Wait, are we even creating the error for the login? Oh, that's register user. Okay, that's why I was like. Okay, so session start. Then we'll put that there, and then we'll store it in the cookie. Bam. Okay. Logged in. Session destroy. Session security. Always use your HTTP protocol session IDs accepted. After social login to prevent. Save. Okay, so there's that right there. Let's try this, see if that stores it. We should be good to go. I hope. Let's go. Still here? I as well. Okay, at least. Okay. Why is logout sending me over to. Oh no, so logout I think worked. Okay, cool. So let's go to login. Okay, admin testing 1 2 3. Init set session Oh man, PHP, fun times. I'm messaging my roommate. I'm like, bro, how do you do a fucking session? Put the phone right there, that way I can actually see it. Why am I getting errors on that? Session INI settings cannot be changed when a session is active. Oh, wait, my session's active? Oh shit. Okay, unset logged in. Let me get rid of these two things right here. Save. Let me just go to logged out. Log out. Okay. And then here, let me do var underscore dump session save. Let me just see if there's anything. Nope. Okay, perfect. So let's go back to login. Okay, let's do admin testing 1 2 3. Session cannot be changed. Oh, okay, because I'm setting it. What the hell, bro? Come on. I see what's going on. I need to do this stuff after or before the save. I see what's going on. All right, let me refresh. Continue. Okay. Let me get a log out. Bool is true. All right, there we go. We're logged out. So let's go to login. Admin testing 1 2 3. Why is that? I don't get it. Van, how's it going? How's it going? Hello again. Says your first time chatter. Have we met before? It's not working. Session params. Session region. I had a different account. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, because I'm sitting here going, have we met? Well, hello again. How's it going? Shit. Does not make sense. Oh my goodness. All right, so if the session... Okay, so maybe we don't need the cookie params. Can we keep the cookie params or no? I was the guy working on the lightweight UI framework. I'm trying to think. What was it called again? It's been a hot minute. Or what was your username? I'm better at that. I'm sorry if I don't remember. It's nothing personal. I meet so many people every day. X-Men lifts. It doesn't sound familiar. Not that I don't remember you. I just don't remember. Wait. I think I just contradicted everything. Anyways, it's good to see you again. How have you been? I'll get to relearn who you are. How's that sound? It's like a whole new introduction. It's like a restart. Look at it that way, right? I was the only one here once, so I'm not too offended. And it was months ago. Yeah, dude. Sometimes, like, there's some people that come back, and it'll be years, dude, and I'll remember. But then there's some people that have been here for a while, and I'm like, yeah. You know what I mean? It's nothing personal. It's my memory. Well, anyways, either way, how you doing? Hopefully all has been well. So you said you were working on a lightweight UI framework. How'd that turn out? Did you finish it? I don't remember that. That's really? Huh. Oh, shit, an ad break. I made progress. Oh. Wait, you made regress? Or did you... Wait, was that the name of it? Regress? I don't think I remember. Regress. CSS. Oh, okay. I thought you made something called Regress CSS, and I was like, we should talk about that naming. But okay, cool. Nice. Oh shit. Give me a second, guys. No, move out of the way. Move out of the way. Thank you. Give me a second, team. We've updated Slack. Yeah, it's nice. Fucking hate Slack. Can't we just use Discord? Bro, I'm trying to get listen. I would love it if Discord made a business edition of their software, which had sort of the same kind of things going on, but they had like a more business edition. You know what I mean? I mean, although you could technically just set up your Discord for business. I mean, there's nothing stopping you. You know what I mean? All right, give me a second, guys. Got to do something really quickly. I didn't realize I lost track of time. Let's see. Close ticket. And close ticket. Oh, all right, give me a second, guys. I actually got to do something for work. Do. Let's see. Because for me, this project is way more than just the features. I can imagine. I'm currently making a 2D render that my UI will use. What? Wait a minute. You're using a render for your CSS framework? Or, wait a minute. Maybe when you say UI framework, I'm thinking about something completely different. Yeah, what do you mean by... Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were making like a CSS library or something. I was like, okay. Hold on. Cancel. Copy. Oh, shit. Paste. Drop. Space. Come up here. Paste. And send email. Haha. Check that out. Cancellation. All right, there we go. Cool. All right. Back to what we were doing. I don't really know how rendering works in CSS. Yeah, what's this UI framework do? But I'm sorry, when you said the word framework in my brain, I thought you were talking about a CSS framework. So, yeah, like Bootstrap, Tailwind. There we go. I drew a blank there. I was like, what's it called again? Tailwind. All right. Because before I used Direct 2D for rendering because it was easy to get into, but I found out the hard way that the ease to use comes with performance. Oh, I'm sure. Yeah. I don't know anything when it comes to like rendering stuff like that and how that works. I know there's these things called GPU. What's it called? You choose it. Like I remember in Doom, I would play the game Doom, like the newer games, and they allow you to switch your driver or something like, not driver, but framework to run the game. One was called like OpenGL, I want to say, or OpenGL or something like that, and then the other one was like, I can't remember. Is that what you're talking about? Something like that. I can't remember what they're called. Doom graphic settings. Excuse me. Shadow, directional collision. I'm trying to remember what they're called. Doing graphic settings. Performance. It's not DirectX. Oh, there we go. It's called the Vulkan API. That's what I was thinking about. Yeah. So it says in some cases, enabling the Vulkan API can improve GPU performance. That you can switch between OpenGL and Vulkan in game by navigating to the site. I don't even know what that is. What is a graphics API? Is that what you're talking about? Something like that? I don't even know what that means. Graphics API. What is a graphics API? See. The GPU graphics processing unit supports various application programming interfaces, APIs. The APIs perform 3D graphics rendering and allow software developers to easily target different GPU hardware. This KBA introduces examples of graphic APIs. The answer: OpenGL is a popular graphics API to support on desktop platforms. For more information, yada, yada, yada. Direct3D, a graphics API supported on the Microsoft Windows platform. OpenGLES is a popular graphics API supported on mobile platforms. Metal, a graphics API supported on Apple platforms. There's also APIs targeting a CPU and GPU support. OpenCL, an API for CPU supported. There's more than just that, right? There's Vulkan and stuff like that, right? And then there's the one that you were talking about, right? I use Direct3D 11 as my API. Oh, okay. Gotcha. See, I don't know much about that stuff. I never got into that kind of stuff, to be honest. I did a little bit of which I want to get back into at some point. I want to get back into Unreal Engine. Dude, there's so many things you can do with Unreal Engine 5. It's just fucking insane. I need to learn it. I need to learn it so bad. I've always wanted to do game development. I really, like, honestly, if I had a choice between like web and game development, I would definitely go game development. I'm just not good at C++. So that's why I've never gone that route. I know they have blueprinting, which is really good. Because if you can understand blueprinting, you don't need to code. Which might be something to look into. Or maybe it's an API. All terminology confuses me. You know more than me, man. But all I know is that my 2D render with Direct3D is faster than Direct2D by a long shot. Well, I would imagine so, right? Because, like, isn't that API designed for GPU rendering for 3D objects? I imagine the Direct2D is only supported for like 2 dimensions, like for sprites and stuff like that, right? Unless I don't know what I'm talking about, which that is a possibility. I will make a first-person shooter someday. I gotta get a good tutorial. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it. We're gonna do an Unreal Engine 5. It's gonna look so realistic too with the new updates. Have you guys seen what you can do in Unreal Engine 5? Oh my god, dude, the horror games coming out, guys, are gonna make you get your brown pants ready, okay? Seriously. This shit is insane. Have you guys seen the new one that's coming out? I gotta show you this. It's so sick. Oh, what the fuck's it called though? Horror game, if you scream, it restarts. Ah, here we go. Let's see.
This horror game restarts.
Okay, you don't need to tell me. What's it called? It's stereo. There we go. Do they have the video on it? Oh, they don't. Shit. Twitter. Damn, for calling all content creators and indie devs don't scream is built in Unreal Engine 5. Ooh. Oh, here it is right here, guys. All right. This is it right here. You better get some brown pants because you're gonna need them. I'm gonna turn this nice and loud for you guys. Just watch. I'm gonna. Oh, just really quickly, by the way, guys, here's how this game works. If you scream, the game restarts, by the way. That's the idea of this game right here, is it listens to your microphone, and a microphone is required to play. So if you try to turn the game on and you don't have a microphone, it won't even work. If you can talk very lightly, so you have to like basically whisper when you're streaming this. If you make well, no, because it needs to hear something. So basically, as long as you don't go or anything like that, like they've built in stuff to listen to it. But if you scream, it does restart. So it says right on the thing that if you're a content creator, you're supposed to whisper. But anyways, just keep watching. Even though I know it's coming, it's gonna fucking make me scream. I already know it. What's up with that blue bar? Sorry. I know it's coming too. The graphics though, look how fucking amazing these look. Unreal Engine 5, folks. Oh yeah, by the way. Hey Karuk, how's it going? Just alright, guys. Oh fuck, here we go. Guys, get ready, get ready. I knew it was gonna happen! Damn it! Damn it! I knew it was gonna happen! Oh, man. Oh, man. Fuck! I knew that was gonna happen! And it still made me scream. Oh, it is called Don't Scream, actually. That's the name of the game. Calling all content creators. We're two indie devs making a horror game called Don't Scream built into Unreal Engine 5. You need a microphone to play, and if you scream, you restart. But here's the catch. But there's a catch. Listen to this, guys. This is a neat concept. Time only moves if you do. If you can't predict the scares. Guys. Oh, shit. I might have to... Here, I'll send you guys the link. Let me put it here. There. There. And there we go. Dude, it is sick. Like, that is insane. Send the graphics are so amazing that my laptop wouldn't be able to run it. It might be able to run it on like super low. Send the link. What's it called? Yeah, it's called Don't Scream. Oh, you're streaming spooky content. Oh no. It's just a horror game. I thought you were still doing PHP. We were, and then we got talking about this horror game. Not to brag, but it didn't get me. I am a master. I am shocked without any. Really? Well, it definitely got me, especially the first time. But fuck, man, that's gonna be so cool. That's gonna be so cool. And I knew what was coming. So can you imagine when you don't know where the rest of the footage is coming from? I need to DM them. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna leave that over there because I want to DM them. I want early access. Let me try your game, please. Oh my god, that'd be so sick. So sick. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. Oh, sick. Thank you so much. Give me a second, guys. I gotta do something for work. Dude, it just looks sick. Imagine that in VR. Nah. No. I could not imagine doing that in VR. That would be nuts. That would be crazy. That would be wild. That would damn, that would be so fun though. Could you imagine that game in VR? Woo! That would be neat. Dude. You probably cause someone to have a fucking heart attack or something, dude. Like that would be wild. Let's see here. Great news. All right. Hold on. What? What post was this on? Dude, Twitter. What? Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. I'm reading this and I thought to ask whether the upcoming Rumble. Oh, okay. I didn't really get what he was talking about. Anyway, sorry about that. Imagine that in VR. I also need to write documentation for my framework. Yes, definitely. Because without documentation, it's useless. I need to practice. I need a list the list of advantages, disadvantages when it comes to using it. To the wall screaming. Yeah, dude, I feel like people would get hurt in VR with those type of games. I mean, I played Phasmophobia in VR, and I'll be very honest with you, that shit made my pulse like. I was like, that was scary. Fun, but scary. Wait. Sometimes it's just nice to know before wasting time on a library if you know its intended use beforehand. Oh, of course, definitely. Tachycardia, right? Exactly. Dude, the horror games that are coming out in 2023 and 24 are going to be fucking sick. Unreal Engine 5 is changing the game. Like, legit. They're making things look so realistic now. It's not even funny. Like I have a list of games I'm ready to jump right into. Like I'm just ready. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, shit. All right. Well. Unfortunately, folks, I gotta go. I don't want to. I want to keep coding, but I got stuff to do today. I got stuff to do. We gotta go to work. We gotta pay the bills. We gotta. Before I go though, is anyone heading over to TwitchCon this week? I know that starts on Friday. Unfortunately, as much as I did want to go, it's just not in the budget. It's too expensive. But maybe next year. But I might try to do DreamHack this year. It is in December. It's in Atlanta, Georgia on December 15th. I'm talking to a few Kick and Twitch streamers, see if they're going. If they're going, I just don't want to go to those events alone. It's kind of weird. I've never been to those events, and I definitely don't want to go alone. So it'd be nice if people were going. But I'm going to try to go. It's still going to be a little pricey. Like TwitchCon would have cost me at least $3K. At least. I just couldn't justify dropping $3K. I just couldn't do it. DreamHack's going to be up there too. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be around probably about 2,000 something. I don't know how these fucking people afford to go to these conventions like monthly. I see people where they're always at a convention and I'm like, how do you afford it? How? Like, dude, it's not cheap. The hotel, the tickets, the food, like you're looking at like $2 something per event at least, unless you find a way to really budget well. I guess if you pack a bunch of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and you sleep in your car, you can. Sorry about that. My foot hit the thing. No, I don't think it's that. No. Oh, I think, well, you know, I mean, a lot of those people that go to events a lot like that are like big content creators, so they probably budget away a certain amount of their funds that they get for like donations, ad revs, and stuff like that. They probably put that away into an account, so that would make sense. Like if I was, yeah, like if you're like a pro cosplayer and literally you go to the event, all these events to cosplay, you're probably, you know what I mean? You probably have a certain budget set aside for the year too. Plus, you can write it off on your taxes. That makes sense. Cool. All right, guys, I have got to run. Listen, I know it was a short stream, but I appreciate you guys coming in. I do. We will figure out this login thing. We at least got the login to work, which is really good. I just got to figure out how the session stuff works. Once I figure out the session stuff, we'll be good. Oh, PHP. Yeah, it is PHP, Lofi. It is. But, yeah, let's see, what's tonight, Wednesday? I might be on tonight, actually, after the gym. I got to teach a class, and then I got to work out. But after that, I think I'm pretty much free. So I might be on to do a coding stream tonight. If not, I'll be on tomorrow. No, I'm not gonna cosplay. I wouldn't even. There's nothing that I look like. I could probably get away for taxes. Yes, that's exactly it. I could probably get away with One Punch Man. I could probably get away with that one. Oh, speaking of that, Krug, I met this girl, so she asked me about anime, and I was like, listen, I've never watched anime in my entire... Well, I have watched Sword Art Online. So she suggested my first anime to get into would be one called Demon Slayer. I'm sure you've heard of it, right? Because you're into anime, right? So it's called Demon Slayer. It's about like this guy, he like leaves his house, his family behind one day, goes into town to like get something. He ends up like not being able to make it back that night or something like that. And then he comes back and his whole family's been slaughtered. His sister's alive, but she's a demon. Now she's been like converted over. It looks really good. I'm only on episode 2. So I'm going on episode. I'm going to watch the rest of it today. But it looks good. I mean, like I said, I'm very new to anime, but yeah, it's called Demon Slayer. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Reality, how's it going, dude? That reminds me, I have to book a hotel and 2 train tickets for a conference next week. God damn, dude, that must be expensive. Dude, but trains are fun. I'd be down for that. I know the story. It's very good. Oh, okay, cool. I heard there's a movie, too. She was telling me that the first season's really good. The second, and then the movie's pretty gory as well. And I think there's like 4 seasons total in a movie or something like that. So I don't know. I'm slowly getting into it. So this is gonna be my first anime other than Sword Art. There we go. Sword Art Online. So I'm looking forward to it. At least I'll finally have something to talk about. So Demon Slayer is good. Okay, good, nice, yeah. So yeah, because she was like, yeah, so what's your go-to anime? And I'm like, I don't have one. So I was just like, if you have a suggestion, I'm open for it. So she's like, let's start you off on Demon Slayer. And I'm like, sounds pretty badass. So yeah, I'm looking forward to checking it out. I'm probably going to do One Punch Man after this one, I think. I've heard about him, but I've never actually watched his stuff. And then Death Note, something I definitely want to check out at some point. So then there's, what is it called? It's called, I love how I said I had to go, and here I am talking about anime. What's it called? It's called, shit. It's, Metal Arcanist? Full Metal Arcanist or something like that. I keep thinking Full Metal Jacket, but that's a movie. I think it's called Full Metal Alchemist or something like that. Tokyo Ghoul. All right, I'll have to check that one out too. Nice. But so yeah, I'm looking forward to like learning about the stuff. See, Alchemist. There we go. Thank you. Yeah. Full Metal Alchemist, Brotherhood of the Goat. Thank you. There we go. I couldn't think of it. Yeah. Damn, soon I'm gonna have a Crunchyroll subscription and everything. Or what is it, Funimation? It's Crunchyroll and Funimation, right? Those are the 2 like big anime subscription sites that you can watch all the TV shows and stuff like that, or the animes. I think Crunchyroll is the biggest, right? But I'm assuming there's some shows on Crunchyroll that aren't there that are on Funimation or something like that, or if maybe I have the name of the other site wrong. Those are like the 2 biggest ones, I think, right? Damn, Crunchyroll's been out forever. Funimation. Oh, Funimation. Is it dead? Really? I didn't know that. I've never even heard of it until yesterday. Funimation. Watch anime online. Is this it right here? I mean, it's still... Are they just not getting any content then? Oh, Crunchy bought them. Oh, so they're getting all their shows and stuff. Dude, I love that. They just like bought out. Oh yeah, I could find out what's going on with the Crunchyroll in October. Oh shit! Look at this. So all the shows are gonna convert over to. How does the account work? Like if you have a. Interesting. Oh, you can get a 14-day free trial. Sick. Manga. Oh, I've heard of manga. Isn't that like a manga is Japanese comic books, right? Or right, Japanese comic books. Basically, manga is like the DC Marvel to Japan, right? or something like that. And they're really, really, really popular, correct? Right? These are books, aren't they? Or these TV shows. See, that tells you how much I know about anime and all that stuff. Corpse's Princess? That sounds pretty badass. See, I know nothing of this stuff. I should give this a try. Let's see. Hellsing. Ooh, that looks good. Let's see. See, this is a world I've never been into. I wouldn't even know where to start. Zombie Lamb Saga. All right, that looks kind of sick. Let's see what else is there. Shield Hero 3. Damn, look at all the... there we go. One Punch Man. Pre-register now. Wait, games? They have games too? Oh, cool. Coming soon to PC. Ah, sick. Dude, wait, can you play video games too? Oh, you can, look. Crunchyroll games. Oh, that's cool. Do you get that included with your premium? That's pretty badass. Oh, this looks pretty neat. Or do you like purchase these separately? Official Twitter. Oh, that's cool. Look, there's a whole world I've never even seen before. This site's pretty nice. I'll have to check it out. Nice. Browse. Ooh, cool. See, they have all the genres here. Sick. Simulcast season, alphabetical. Release calendar. Thriller. Yeah, what do they got for thrillers? I'm into thrillers and stuff like that. Or horror. The detective is already dead. That looks like it was designed by the same one that did the other one I just saw. Oh, Sword Art Online. Here we go, right here. Now, quick question. How can you tell if it's in English or not? Or do you choose? Like, how does that work? Krook. Because you have Crunchyroll, don't you? Oh, audio right here. Japanese, English, publisher. Oh, okay. So if you see anything with like of America. Okay, cool. Nice. That's pretty cool. I'll have to check this stuff out. Dude, this was a great show. I liked it. I never got past season 3, though. Do they have the other seasons? Holy shit, I didn't know they had that many seasons. What? Wait a minute. How do you go from season 3 to season 27? Huh? Season 3. Season 2. Sword Art Online. Okay. Season 3. Wait, there's 2 season 3s? And then it goes to season 27, 30, and 41. What? Okay, whatever. Dude, I don't even remember this. I remember this right here. Yeah, it was him and he entered into the world through the VR. Dude, this is such a good show. I liked it. It was good. All right, guys, I have got to go. But thank y'all for hanging out with me this morning. I appreciate it. We will definitely get back to this again. Thank y'all for the follows. Appreciate it. Guys, again, we are now over 4,000 followers on Twitch. So thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I appreciate the support. On Kick, we're at 112. And YouTube, we finally hit 570. So we're on our way up there. And Rumble, we're actually at 20, which is kind of cool considering I just started on Rumble. So, yeah. I appreciate it, guys. You guys are amazing as always. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all later. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye. There we go. Found it. Aha.